Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Board. So NABARD grade A phase 2 examination के result के बाद now you guys are looking for like from where you can prepare for your interview. So keeping in mind this particular thought, we had launched a personalized interview batch for your NABARD grade A 2025 interview preparation, and it is live on the application of Olive Board. Okay, so you can enroll in this particular batch, which is free of cost, and that's how you can prepare for your interview. So let's talk about कि आपको इस personalized interview batch में क्या-क्या facilities available होने वाली है. So you can look ahead. आपको यहाँ पे one-on-one mock interview provide कराया जाएगा, where you can ask all your doubts and queries. Plus जो भी questions पूछे जाते हैं NABARD grade A के interview में, you will be familiar with all the questions if you will attend this one-on-one mock interview, and that will be conducted by N. Gopal sir and V. Rangarao sir. So be the part of this. आपको क्या करना है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में और कमेंट बॉक्स में इस पर्टिकुलर बैच का लिंक अवेलेबल है. दैट्स हाउ यू कैन एनरोल इन इट, and that's how you can go ahead with the interview preparations, right? And in this particular interview batch, you will be provided with the detailed feedbacks, like where you are lacking, what are the important areas you have to work upon, and how you can, like profile evaluations will be also be provided to you, and tips on taking the interviews and HR questions. So whenever you will be in the interview and there will be the HR questions to know about your personality, to know about your behavior, how will you handle all these questions, ये भी आपको यहाँ से help हो जाएगा. साथ में there will be live sessions for interview preparations with coverage of banking and NABARD current affairs, and there will be class PDFs for each class and PDFs on agriculture, current affairs, budgets, and surveys highlights, because we are facing. And these are the most asked questions in the interview of NABARD grade A. And as well as there will be a community access to engage with mentors and fellow aspirants, so that you can discuss your queries, you can connect with the mentors, and they will help you how you can improve and how you can get good scores in your interview. And 2 out of 3 candidates cleared interviews with our expert guidance. So why are you not becoming the part of this interview batch? Be the part of this interview batch, and that's how start your preparations with us. And whatever the doubts and queries related to कि कैसे enroll करना है, you can mention in the comment box. We'll let you know how you can enroll in this particular batch. Thank you so much and all the very best.